Hello everyone, welcome to part 34 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video we will continue working on the add to cart process for our React app. And in this video we are going to insert product in user card on our React app. Okay, in this last video we able to add the product in the cards table, manually add the product in the cards table with the help of the API, okay, that we have created. Here I'm going to show you that this API we have tested in Thunder client. Okay, this add to card API, post API. Okay, here we have added the data and we able to add the product in our cards table. Here you can see the message products added in user card successfully. Okay, we always see we can always use the Thunder client or Postman for testing the APIs. Okay, so after the testing is done we can integrate this API in on our React app. Okay, on our components of our React app. So here we have created in the last video we are able to create this add to cart function. Here you can see we able to test this add to cart function is working fine, that is working fine. Now we able to get the data in this add to cart function. Okay, so let's get the data. Okay, we are going to get the size. Okay, so size, see, size is already we are getting here. We can simply get the size from there. We can use here the search params dot get to get the size. Here we can get the size like this. Okay, after getting the size we will also get the product ID, and product ID also we can get from the params also. Okay, in the same way we can even check it like we able to get or not. Okay, we can alert this one by one, like site. First of all we are going to check the site is coming here or not. Okay, return false we will keep here. See, yes, we are getting the site. Okay, I'm also check the product ID, that we able to get the product ID or not. See, checkout, sorry, I'm going to refresh it once again and click on checkout. Here we able to get the product ID as well, and also we will get here the user ID as well. Okay, user ID. Okay, and for user ID, see here down, and we can check here that we have created here the new hidden value. Okay, for the user ID, we are going to check that whether we will able to get the user ID like this or not. Okay, first of all we are going to check it like this. Okay, user ID, see, we are able to get the user ID or not, I'm not sure. Yeah, user ID also we able to get here 25th ID of the user ID that we pass as the hidden value. Okay, so user ID also we able to get. So both, all three we able to get here. So user ID, size, as well as the product ID. Okay, so here I'm going to take here let item equal to, we are going to use size, then product ID. After that I'm going to take the user ID as well. Okay, all three we can take. So once we can check in console as well that everything is working fine, console.1, here we can see, simply print here the item. Okay, so we can remove this one, and now we can check. Let's check in inspect. Okay, step by step we will move further so that there will be no issue at all. Okay, so here we are going to check in network console. We will make everything empty. Click on checkout. Here we get the size medium, product ID 2, and user ID is 25. So everything is working fine up till now. Okay, so now we can continue, and now we are going to fetch our API. We are going to use our API. Okay, let result. So now we can also remove this one. This is not required, turn false. Let result equal to, we are going to use here await fetch. I'm going to fetch, and here http. So we're going to copy that API that we have tested, this one. I'm going to copy this one and we'll use it here. Okay, API add to cart. When we will make our React app online, then online URLs will come. Okay, website, see, both website as well as app we are going to make it online very soon. Okay, both will get ready side by side. So both we are going to make online. Okay, so you can subscribe as well as join the channel to get both the things ready at your end as well. I will make sure that you will not leave behind. Okay, I will help you to make both website as well as your rect app online at your end if you will join as a member. Okay, so small fees you need to pay. Okay, less than your school and tuition fees. Okay, I will just charge small very small fees, but with that small fees you able to learn too much. Okay, that will really help you to get lot of income, not to get the higher package. Okay, so if you will pay like $10, you will get at least $5,000 of the job. Okay, so per month. So it's your choice. So now see API slash add to cart, and here after this add to cart, and now we are going to use it like this method as post. Method we're going to use as post. Okay, so here we're going to use the header as well. Headers. Okay, so and content type. Okay, so application JSON, we already know application JSON. Okay, so this one now we will take body we are going to take JSON. Okay, dot stringify. Okay, and item we are going to use in this. Okay, so now we will get this result whatever comes from the API response. We are going to save it in our result. Okay, await once again, and this result dot JSON. Okay, so whatever we are going to get, and that we will use C console as well, console1. We will check it as well. Okay, like this. So now we are going to see whether we able to add the product in cart, add this product in the user cart from here or not. Okay, once we will click on checkout, we are going to see whether we able to process it here or not. See, still there is only one entry here. Okay, so let's see we able to fetch it. Okay, so medium size, let's click on checkout, and now I think there is some issue has come. I think going to close this one and we'll check here. Yeah, some issue has come up here. I'm going to see what issue exactly, and see, we're going to check here. uh, mm, 500 on a server error. So we are going to see here maybe some issue in our here. Okay, so we're going to check add to cart and this one whether all the data is going or not. So we are going to check here in headers, payload, in preview. Okay, so in preview we are having the error. See, undefined array key user underscore id. Okay, so that does not match, so that's why the issue is coming. So it is saying that user underscore id is not coming because we are not matching these. Okay, so we need to match these as well. Okay, you can see here that we are having the user id we able to fetch, so we are going to use it as the user id here. Okay, and product id, this one product id we are going to use it like this, and other than this site seems to be fine. Okay, now we are going to try once again. I'm going to refresh and we'll see that if there no error comes, we have updated our columns according to the rect tab. Okay, so now we're going to click on checkout. Let's see, and this time no issue has come, and you can see the status has come, product added in user cart successfully. And here we are going to see the another entry must come up here, and you can see yes, another entry has come up. Yes, this is the user id 25th, and yes, this is the product id 2 with the medium size and quantity 1, and the source is air. and this time there is the correct entry. And we are going to test it once again. I'm going to show off for some other product. Let's show off for the mobile. Okay, I'm going to select this mobile, and see, I'm going to select one of these size. I'm going to select the 128 GB size. Okay, then click on proceed, and see, once we'll click on proceed, it shows the selector side, that's it's fine. I'm going to click on checkout, and let's see. And this time I'm going to see here, see, it is coming as the product added in user cart successfully. I'm going to check here in the carts table. Yes, another entry has come up with the user id 25th. This the same user added the another product, that is the 128 GB and 4 GB size of see of the product, that is the product id is 1 for this product. You can see the product id is 1 for this product, and the product id is 2 for the last product with the 128 GB and 4 GB. 128 GB is the hard disk size, and 4 GB is of the RAM size. Okay, this is the storage and this is the RAM, and the product is one quantity, and the source is app. So we able to add the product in the user card. Okay, so user can now able to shop for these products. In the next video we are going to start working on the checkout form, okay, in which we are user will fill his details and finally can place the order. Okay, so see, we can place, user can able to place the multiple orders, that's not an issue. But we will not show here like the shopping cart where the user can able to update his card, or where the user can able to remove one of the item, or user can able to add, remove, or it means that shopping cart we will not show. We will make it simple. In checkout, user can able to place the order for the added products. Okay, so that thing we are going to do, though we will try to show his added items. Okay, see, one more thing I want to tell you, that you can even show all the items like source we have shown, but you can even able to show the website items as well, like whatever items he adds from the rect tab, we can show here in the website as well. Okay, in the website card as well, and whatever items he adds in the website, we are going to show in the rect app card as well. Okay, so that thing also we are going to do. So stay tuned for the future videos, stay tuned for the next video. Okay, so you can also join the channel, like I have explained you, that you can simply join the channel YouTube Stack Developers, and always make sure to subscribe the channel to get all the updates. And you can always click on this join channel to get the source code, complete source code with complete support. Okay, by paying the small fees. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.